Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a vacuum unboxing. I just received this package from eBay and we're going to take a look and see what's inside. I always feel a little bit nervous buying something from eBay because you never know if it's going to arrive in good condition or if it's going to be completely broken into pieces. I've had that a couple of times, but other times you get it and it's packaged well and everything's good. But let's take a look. I'll give you a hint, it is a Hoover. I'm a big fan of Hoovers and saw this on eBay and realized that I had to have it. There's a nice floral print bag in yellow. A little bit of staining, but it's not in terrible shape. Depending on how much of a Hoover expert you are, you might be able to recognize this model just based off of the bag. But we have our handle, an original cord with the original plug still on it. That's always nice. Hoover Type C. A slightly dusty base. There's a little bit of damage there, but that was shown in the listing. And there we go. So it is a Hoover Convertible Elite model U4063. And it looks like the brush strips are in good shape. It's got the metal fan, the metal base. A lovely floral print design here to match the bag. 4-position height adjustment. I need a coin to take that off. I've always been a fan of Hoover convertibles. I have quite a few in my collection. I wouldn't even be able to tell you how many I have at the moment.